Accessibility tools in Wixy like text-to-speech and voice dictation are useful for emergent readers and writers and students with communication or learning challenges. Voice dictation allows users to write words by speaking them aloud in the computer or device. To add voice dictation in Wixy, add a text box to the page. You will see a speaker icon in the middle. Choose the speaker to begin dictating and click the red button to stop. My story is about an angry frog that lives in a pond. To listen to the text, select the text box and choose the yellow text-to-speech icon on the left.
My story is about an angry frog that lives in a pond.
Images in Wixy also include text-to-speech options. Choose an image and click the yellow text-to-speech option.
Angry frog.
Teachers can also use the alt text option in Wixy to change the name of image files to support specific curriculum goals. For example, if I was teaching about colors, I might want to change the name of this image from angry frog to green frog. To do this, I would go to the Edit menu and choose Edit Alt Text, modify my text, and select OK. And then again, to listen to the new image description, I would choose the yellow text-to-speech option.
Green frog.